In this video, you will learn how to read a color image as a grayscale image using OpenCV. So first we are going to use the OpenCV to load our image as it is. Then in the next step, we will use one parameter to directly read a color image as a grayscale image. So let's go ahead and see. I'll import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, percentage matplotlib inline, and I'm going to import cv2 here. Now I'm going to make one variable image img, then I will call cv2. From this I will call the method imread, and inside this I will pass the name of the image. So the name is doc image.jpg, and then I will do plot imshow of img. So now you see that we have loaded the image, and this is in BGR color. That is why the color is looking like this. Now we are going to read this image directly as a grayscale image. So let's see that. I'm going to copy this code as it is, and then I'm going to paste it in a new cell. So I'll go down, read image as a grayscale. I'll paste that code as it is. Now I'm going to make some changes. I'll change the variable name image underscore new, and here I'm going to pass one parameter. So I will put a comma, then cv2. From this I will call the function imread. So if I press tab, you will see there are so many options, but we have to use imread grayscale. So you see this option here, imread grayscale. So let's select this one, and then let's change the variable name here as well, img underscore new. Now let us execute our code. So here in the output you will see there is a difference between the two, but you will notice that the image is not looking gray here because it has, you can say that it has some dark green color, but there is a difference between the two. This image is different, and after passing this parameter imread grayscale, the image color is different, but it still is not looking like a grayscale image. And this is because it has to do with the default color mapping of imshow. So we are using this function from matplotlib. We are using this function imshow, and because of this function, so what happens, this function imshow, it takes darker values and shows them as blue. So wherever you are seeing this kind of blue color, so these are the darker values. So it takes the darker value and show them as blue, and it takes lighter values and show them as yellowish green. So if you see the color of the dog here, it was white. That is why here, because it was a light color, white color, so it is showing the color as yellowish green, and that is the reason. But we can change this we can convert this image into a purely grayscale image by passing one of the parameter inside this imshow function. So if I copy this imshow function here, and if I paste it here, then I will put one comma, and then that parameter is cmap, which stands for color mapping, and inside this I will write here gray. And now if I plot this image, it should look completely gray or black and white. So let us execute our code, and now here in the output you can see now it's looking completely gray or black and white image. So this is the difference, because the function imshow has some different color, and that is why it will show you some dark blue and green yellowish color. But if you want to have it a pure gray color, then you have to pass this parameter cmap is equal to gray. So that's how you can read a color image and convert it into a grayscale image by using this function imread or imread grayscale from cv2, and then you can use this parameter. So one thing I just want to clear that This one we are using to read the image. So this function will go, or this parameter will go when you are using this method IamRead to read the image. But this color map is just to display that image as a pure gray. So we are just displaying it. The image will not turn into gray because this image is already in gray color, but because we are not able to see it because of the color mapping of imshow function, that is why we have used this parameter to just display it as a gray color. Otherwise that image is already in gray color. So that's all about this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.